Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix autoplay on Netflix. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If Netflix autoplay is not working, then here's a quick fix on how to solve the issue. The first thing to do is to make sure that you are logged into your Netflix account. Open up a web browser and go to www.netflix.com, press enter on your keyboard and make sure that you are logged into your account as well. From the main homepage of Netflix, go to the top right hand corner and mouse over to the human icon. Click on Manage Profiles button from the expanded menu and open up your profile that you'd like to manage. Make sure that you have selected the box where it says autoplay next episode in a series on all devices and autoplay previews while browsing on all devices button. Make sure that you check both of them and click on the save button. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to fix your autoplay option on Netflix. If that still does not work, you can try logging out of your Netflix account. Go to the top right and mouse over to your profile icon. Click on Sign Out of Netflix button at the bottom. And once you log out of your Netflix, log in back again and you might be able to solve your issue. That was how you can easily fix autoplay on Netflix. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.